I don't think I'm going to forget anytime soon how confused my girlfriend was when she first saw this pair. They are crazy. What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Brain Dead times Converse Chuck 70 Madness. So first of all, I want to shout out to Charlene for picking these up for me. My colleague, Safe, thank you very much. Managed to grab these for me, and I'm super gassed to have them. They are a wild pair, and just looking at the box alone, you can see that it is going to be a madness. But yeah, on the box says Converse men's UK 10.5 Chuck 70 high, and color wise it says black and multi, and by multi they mean everything. But yeah, you will see these retailed for £90, so can't be mad at the price at all. Obviously it's a collaboration, so it's a little bit more steep than your standard Chuck 70 price, but is what it is. I think the off-white pair, I can't remember how much they were. I feel like they were one something, maybe they were 110, so it's even cheaper than them, and there's even more going on than them, so can justify the price even more. Not sure what pair to even go for first because they're so mad, but let's go for this pair. And boom, here is the sneaker. I would usually say in all its glory, but that would be a lie because there is so much you have not seen yet. But let's start off with this side anyways. So you've got your Brain Dead branding there, which is a nice touch. Then you've got this crazy cheetah print madness going on this side. You do a quick 180 flip and it's totally different. You've got the Converse Chuck 70 classic logo there. Then you've got this navy colorway with these white stars. Super fire. Crazy mix match. Lateral side is that, middle side is this. It's all crazy. And you also get this other patch here at the back of the shoe. I'm not even sure what pattern you would call that. It kind of randomly looks like a, what's the bloody animal? I can't think of it.
12 seconds later.
A giraffe. Am I talking nonsense? Maybe I am. But that kind of reminds me of that. On the tongue, it is white with black polka dots. Remember that, well, off-white basically with black polka dots. The midsole is off-white with black, and it's got some writing going around it. Let me see where it even starts, and it says, "The same elsewhere, to see and to be seen as far as I can see. Who controls the control men? The same elsewhere." And yeah, it goes on and on and on. They went nuts with this pair, super nuts. Bottom of the shoe is in black, and at the back of the shoe, it's got your standard Converse Chuck Taylor. Let's see if the insole's anything crazy. No, it's your standard sort of off-whitish pattern. Now let's go to pair two. You would assume, without knowing, that it's going to be more of the same, right? The same pattern, mix, match again. Oh no, 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 no. Boom! We hit you again with a totally different pattern. This time in a zebra pattern, not like the Yeezys, a proper zebra pattern. Again with the Brain Dead logo on there. Then we do a 180, and then we've got some camo. I believe this is duck camo, possibly. Not too good with my camo names, but yeah. Some camo on here, the Chuck 70 logo. Same text going on around it again. And remember what I said about the tongue? White with black dots. This one, of course, is black with white dots. Of course, of course, of course. They went totally ham and bacon on these. These are mad. And the back of the shoe on this one has a red and white stripe. And your standard Converse branding, the standard black sole. This is madness, mate. So you basically got your animal prints on the side there, the inside here, stars, and some duck camo. Absolutely crazy. I'm gonna chuck these on feet, show you what they're like. There you go. back, that was a quick look at the Converse times Brain Dead Chuck 70 on feet. Sneakers are absolutely bonkers. What did you think? Did it work? Did it not work? Is it too crazy for you? It's definitely crazy, but I love that it's going to be making people think, wait, wasn't it this? But isn't it that or that? Yeah, it's crazy, crazy, crazy. But anywho, hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, that is @ashbashsneakers, and my Twitter is perfection7. I upload sneaker reviews as and when I pick stuff up, and I do every video every single Monday chatting about sneakers or this and that. But yeah, I'm out. Baby.